Alright, I'm about to start shooting my fireworks from smallest to biggest. Starting with these little 9 shots and couple shells right now. Chess.
Can I light this one?
Wait, no, not right now.
Not right now.
Right.
Not right now.
We're gonna do a couple at a time.
О, у них так классно view смотреть.
Alright.
Американцы, да? Это American's Paradise, так жить на view смотреть.
Okay.
У нее муж умер, она сама тут получила, видно, деньги. Но он был контактным, знаешь, это он все строил.
Okay, some shells.
Не кричи, зачем кричат?
Я ее температуру ее оставил, знаешь, она там возмущалась. Мои пацаны еще были маленькие, на скейтборде Канкры, да?
Да.
Okay.
Oh, that one's gonna go off right there, down the street.
Okay.
Oh, I was gonna say, come on.
We got American Chief. Alright, so you guys see which ones we're lighting?
Yeah.
Nathan, get these two right here.
What am I lighting?
Make sure these two light this one. But when I tell you, make sure these light at the same time. At the same time, this one right here. I'm lighting these two. Отходите, быстро. At 3.
Wait.
Don't pull them out, you're pulling them out.
Okay.
This one's halfway out. I mean, that's what I said, light
I
them.
have to go pretty quick. This one and then that one. So I don't know.
I'm lighting two тоже, so
Just
don't
say
worry.
3. What we miss, we miss.
1, 2, 3.
Oh shit.
Alright. Go! You didn't even light one, watch out! Woo! Yes! Yes!
That's so freaking loud, dude.
Alright, right here I have the Sammy's Best single shot. Let's see what this thing does right now. Woo! There's a guy. Alright, one more. There you go. Comment, that was so sick. Nice. Alright, let's go. Go. Alright. Just let me. Alright, I'm lighting this one. I run up, we do the same thing. Alright, doing a motor mouth right now. This one's really cool. Should be really good. Alright, let's light. 96 times. Давай, давай. Fine. There we go. The last.
Take cover.
Woo! No, just this. Alright, so I'm doing an RPG right now first. And let's see what happens. Alright. Watch out, man. No. Not bad. Yes, she guessed it. Is that everyone?
Again? Why is the chip Bob?
Shut up, chicken.
Holy shit, dude. What's wrong with you, man?
Whew.
Which one is this? Oh shit. How do you see it? Supposed to know? Oh shit.
The
top. I was gonna say. Okay, this is
You better not light it upside down, man. You're wasting my fireworks.
this is gonna.
No, these tubes are really strong. These tubes.
I just noticed there's a top and bottom.
All right, you guys ready? I'm getting 2.
Yep.
All right,
Let's see.
let's go. Ela, ty staviš na nju and push it down and it's
wait,
quick.
Stop. He's not ready.
All right,
Okay. 1,
2, 3. Woo!
Wait, one more.
Keep on going. America. Nathan, let's go. Hurry up. Nathan.
Hey, let's slide it.
Damn, nigga, looks like you do give a shit.
No, that's mine. Don't be touching my shit.
Oh, that's yours? Hurry up. Do I? 1,
1, 2,
3.
Hey.
Oh, shit.
Get your ass away. That's how much we love your neighborhood. That was low. Don't put it in there anymore.
Yeah, it is pretty loud.
Alright. So wait it. Right now. There you go.
I thought that was 4.
3.
That was.
Alright, go. Let it. There we go. Almost done. There we go. Don't do that. That was so low. These are there should be 6 shots total. Oh, slow. That was cute. Let's do it. What the hell? Just let it and run. Oh, that's cute. Alright, I'm about to do the 25 missile and a reckless right here by World Class. See what it does. It's a 200 gram. Let me take this off real quick. Light the sky up in minutes. Alright, that's the fuse. Hey, let these shoot a little bit because they're cute and cute. So let these shoot real quick. Let these shoot a little. Let these shoot a little. Go, 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 go! Woo! Woo! So cute. Woo! Woo! Get down. Put it down, чтобы никто. Это ни на кого он был. Doing a row of them real quick. So. Woo! Nate, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, you're supposed to take it off. Huh.
It's like a loser. Like a loser.
Woo.
Okay, that's enough.
And that was.
Hey, check this one. We need.
That was the cowboy. So sick. Alright, we'll do some RPGs and some artillery shells. Pero эти, Ella.
Moses, you need it for the one ball?
Yeah.
Where's the ball?
Alright.
Go!
So cute. Yeah, I'll just light and run. Сейчас, давай, давай. Последние две или что? Или как? I like this one. Давай. Hella low.
Hella failed. I shouldn't want that. I think that was mine. Holy shit, look at that.
It's gone.
It fell off.
It's gone. See, you're shooting at the gayest. These are the gayest ones you're shooting at. These are the $5 ones that just ripped apart. I told you about these cheap ones. Fountain. Woo! Somebody. Woo!
My GoPro would have been embarrassed to hit it.
It looks so much better like up front. All right, candle.
Everybody with me drunk as fuck. Break it down and roll it up. Everybody with me drunk as fuck. Break it down and roll it up. Everybody with me drunk as fuck. Break it down and roll it up. Everybody with me drunk as fuck. Break it down and roll it up.
Oh, damn, that was nice.
No.
Hey, did you see that at the...
That was so long. Alright, do some missiles right now. So we just got kicked out of one of the places and we came to a second one right now. This is my place, so let's finish our fireworks. Missiles. They even have color to it.
I think that guy got scared and ran away.
No. Alright, so what am I gonna do right now is light a whole bunch of Roman candles and watch it. Okay.
Westside, back here. They want from everything y'all did. It been done. My shoe game. Can't touch that shit. Ain't still how about fuck me. Nah, fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Ain't still how about fuck me.
Woo. Oh, we'll get to those in a second.
Well, let me get one of those holding ones, it's not the crackling one.
These are the quiet gay ones.
They queef?
Yeah, a lot.
I'm scared of them though, bro.
They're queef, they queef, don't worry.
I'm scared. Buona, Aye. Aye. Oh, come on, bro.
Someone help me light them.
Why me?
It's like dead already.
Blow on it.
Just like bring up there. 2 years later. Alright, so I just got a crazy cards 5-shot. I don't know, it's really fat. Let's see what that does. Alright, oh shit. Woo!
Do it on the floor.
Sick. That's some power to kick. Alright, so I just got a big, I heard these are crackling ones. I don't know what it does. So see what happens. I don't know what it does, so. Woo! So I'm about to throw one up right now. I'll try.
Go up in his face. It will.
Woo! Sick. Bottle rocket.
Oh, you
Off my hands.
Holy shit.
That's cute. Oh shit, I forgot about it and it did fly in my hands.
Stupid. Jaquira.
I'm like так дергал по руке, like jerk. Woo! Бодя, хочешь попробовать?
What else? Stop for a second.
Сейчас.
Stop together.
I can't stop.
Hi. That's not her.
Woo! Or I'm pissed.
I took my shirt off. She's like hella staring at me.
Which one?
The blonde one.
I told you she was like, dude, enough to blink shit the bra from your
Yeah,
hands.
I was shaking her
Woo!
hand. I was shaking her hand. She was just holding my. She's just
Finally, черные приехали.
Oh, good job, bro. Did show, man.
This is the. I seen. I think it's gonna be the best one.
Давай. Шамика. Черный. Mr. Jam.
What are you doing?
Trying to turn up the music.
That's mine, bro.
No, is it full?
Oh, no, it's empty.
I was trying to use it for bottle rockets.
Oh, let me get a few bottle rockets. Oh, turn down. You guys need to.
All right, I got Hitman right now, 9 shots. Let's see what it does. I've seen really good reviews. Hopefully it impresses me really good. So let's see. Big boy. Woo! Nice. Oh shit. Woo! Sick.
You're like missing it. You're not even touching it.
No, I got you.
Alright, bottle rocket and the beer. Woo!
Ow. Oh shit.
Fail. Alright, I'm about to be shooting Mad Dog bottle rockets. These are really cool. I've shot them before. Very recommended by me.
It's like, what is it? Hey!
Woo! Tight. All right. All right. Let's set some up. All right. Let's slide as much as you can. That's fail. I couldn't light all of them. Woo! Oh, so cute. Alright, we're about to do our artillery shell right now. In my hand. Just kidding. Alright, let's see this. Woo! Sick, super sick. Knock down our artillery mortar. Down. Alright, another mortar. Let's see this bad boy.
Oh shit, duck.
Woo! Nice. Booty full.
Hey, watch out.
Let's see who gets past Moses first.
Who hits Moses first? Moses, watch out, bro.
No, just shoot.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Moses, watch out. Moses!
Yes.
That looks so
Beautiful. Beautiful.
You're
Alright, I'm about to do the balls of fire right now. It's like a million shot. I don't know how much exactly, probably 100 shot Roman candle.
That's not how you do it. This is how you do it, bro. Watch. You're gonna learn today.
Find the right
not
feed.
picking the trunk.
Walker, you're gonna learn today.
Woo.
You're gonna learn today.
There we go. Let's go.
That's gonna be loud shit.
I don't know.
Hey, mine's better.
Woo! 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 You gonna learn today. Woo! 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 Yeah! Put it in. Woo! Yes! Woo! La 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 la. Yes! La 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 la. Get down! I'll shoot you! Woo! Ой, блин. Get down! Woo! Still going? Yes. Yeah?
There's more in there. Tap it. Back.
Excuse me?
Sir, knock on it.
Anybody home?
Excuse me, a couple more. I ordered a couple more.
I'm like 30
Dude,
short.
that was so sick though.
That was nice.
That was like 10 minutes. Alright, I'm about to do several candles at once. I'll try to do 4 in these used up tubes. Let's see what's gonna go. Get down. Let's do this. Clear open sky, perfect. Let's get this party started. Alright. All right. Woo! Oh, there we go. Yes. Woo! Yep. Alright, so I'm doing the motor mouth right now, but world class fireworks. It's shooting flaming balls with report. And it's like I think 96 shot. Let me see. Yeah, 96 shots. Make sure. Alright, let's see what happens. These are awesome. Let's go. Hey, Sonny, this is sick. Woo! Sweet. Worth the $14 I spent on that 96 shot cake. Awesome. Beautiful, just beautiful. All right, I'm about to do a parachute battalion right now. It's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 shot, I think, I'm not sure, 7 shot should be, and a 200 missile base. So let's listen to this.
Hey, stop. I gotta get this shit in slow motion. This is a shit in slow motion. Better than your GoPro.
No, I'm doing the annoying one first. So 200 missiles. Battalion. Where's the parachutes? Catch the parachutes.
Oh, right here.
They're coming down. Get it.
More parachute. Yeah.
Woo!
No.
Get the parachutes. They're coming down. Oh, right there.
Didn't you blow these up?
Nice.
I got it.
Oh, right here, coming down.
Ah, shit. Some shit in my eye.
All right, but I like these bad boys real quick. BJ, that's cool. All right, let's get these mortars rolling.
What are you doing? Look at yourself,
Aight. Yes. Nice. Let's do another round. Alright, clean this up. Alright. Alright. All right.
I want to shoot at Moses.
Perfect. Nice. Beautiful. All right, I'm about to do some single shot fireworks right now, artillery shells. So let's see what happens. Let's see how quick I can get these. Woo! Sweet. Much approved. Nice. Beautiful. It's like we're the only ones shooting these bad boys. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Those were Pro 4 Gold single shot. Nice. Alright, we're doing right now double shot green to silver palm green peony. And there's another one here. I'm not sure which one though. So let's see what happens. Woo! Yes! Sick. Beautiful. Alright. Same thing right now, double shot and single shot right now. Let's see if we can get this. Nice. Woo. All right, so we have a little setup right here. Let's see what happens. Go. Oh. All right, watch out. Oh, second one, second one, second one. Beautiful. Awesome. Okay, last one. Let's see this. There we go. Ella. Beautiful. Nice. All right, now we're doing the best one here. It's Sammy's best. It's loud M80 in the sky though. So let's see this shit right now. Boya, loud one.
Hey, how was this shoot? Yo, bottle rocket. Boy, watch out.
Loud one, loud one, loud one. Woo!
Nice.
Single shot is the best. Sammy's best is the best. Woo! All right, so I'm gonna set up. I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shots, and I have a whole bunch of tubes. So I'm gonna just set up and shoot. All right. So this one is purple palm. Let's see this. Okay. People are mad right now. Okay. All right, these are our last ones. Woo! All right, I'm gonna do a happy 36 shots. Let's see what this thing does. Okay. Oh, it's small little mortars. Oh, it's probably like a, maybe like a Roman candle, I'd say. Roman candle. Okay. Where's the fuse? Okay, right here. And Joyride. I heard this one was really nice, 200 gram by Cutting Edge. So let's see this beast. Impress me, you guys. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, Joyride. Woo! Nice. Yes, that was Joyride. Awesome. Now a little quick shell to finish everything we just did. Run! Yes. Woo! Yes.